going on, guys? Today we are going to bring you a how-to installation, quick review of the WOW TK Amazon crash bar for your 2006 to 2017 Dyna models. We just got it in, looks pretty good. The quality is actually a lot better than I anticipated. It came with all your Allen key hardware. The gauge of the steel is actually pretty impressive, and then it's got the actual crash bars. So according to the Amazon, it says that this will only work for the Dynas with the mid controls. We've got a 2017 Dyna Streetbob with mid controls, so that's what we're going to be working with today. Alright guys, so first things first, like I said, you got to have the mid controls. First thing you got to do, my bike, you've got caps. Most bikes, unless you've taken them out or messed with them, this is for your forward controls. So you want to get the dust caps off. Flathead, knife, whatever you got to get them out. There we go. And that gives you the threads. The way this unit looks like it works is you got two bolts on either side that are going to mount through the forward control mounts, and then it looks like we're going to have to relocate the rectifier off the frame and to the front of that. It's going to keep it cool. It's going to locate it, because if we don't, the holes don't line up and it doesn't go back far enough. Alright, after you get the dust caps out for the forward controls, the next thing we're going to want to do is get a 4mm Allen key. And we got to remove the rectifier. It's as simple as just two Allen heads. And they're pretty good. And just a little pro tip is there's probably Loctite if you haven't taken this off or removed it from the factory. This one was pretty creaky to get out, but just be mindful of using the correct Allen key when you're removing this, just so you don't strip them out, because that sure be a pain to fix later. Right, so the next thing we're going to want to do is you're going to want to get out of our pack of 4 bolts. You're going to want to get the the pack of 6. You're going to want to get the 4 shortest ones, and that's going to be your Allen keys for the lower mounting points here. So my recommendation, if you're installing, use some medium strength thread locker. It's always good if you can get a buddy to help, girlfriend, dog, whatever you can get. Extra pair of paws always helps. So, here's your thread locker if you want to go and get it in there. Just to recap, we've got both 4 bolts in the lower portion of the bracket. It's going in your forward controls. This unit was like $106 on Amazon. They matched up fairly well. It was a little bit of a struggle. One side was kind of off. The clutch cable was bumping it back a little bit. I was able to get all 4 in. That is a 8mm Allen key. I was using it on a socket. You can use a hand one. I definitely go the socket route. Going to the right side of the bike. A little bit of that thread locker. I like a medium strength. Bolt through the long side. Alright, so next thing you want to do is just use those stock Harley bolts. Go through the rectifier. Get those nice and snug. The only thing I've seen with this kit so far is the original Harley Davidson Allen bolt did not like the threads of the crash bar. So luckily I had a nut and bolt that's going to work. I'm probably either going to use my tap and die and thread those out and use the Harley Davidson ones is what I'll probably end up doing. But for the sake of time, wanting to get back on the road, I'm going to use those. A little bit of thread locker. Just did a nut and bolt that went through the threads. And yeah, so that's the final product.